My mother makes the best cream caramel in the world, but if you ask her, she might say it's her mother. She was so good at it that it became a norm that whenever there's a family get together, she must bring dessert and it has to be cream caramel. Today I'm going to share with you a cream caramel recipe, which is a simple and very quick one. Here I have some large eggs, granulated white sugar, evaporated milk, and some water. Additionally, we have some sugar and some water, and this is for making the sugar syrup. First, we are going to make the sugar syrup. So I'm moving to my stove, and on a pan, I'm going to add sugar and all the water. A quick stir just to combine it well. Next 8 to 10 minutes it's gonna get caramelized. Now it's very important that you do not touch it until you see some shades forming on the sides, some brown color or maybe a lighter tone. When you see tiny bubbles forming on the sides, you know that it's very close to achieving a darker shade now. You need to keep an eye so that it doesn't get burned. Once done, caramel should look something like this. Now we are gonna pour the caramel in our serving pots. Make sure you cover the bottom fully. Now we are gonna set it aside to cool down slightly. In the meantime, let's prepare the base. Here I'm cracking 2 eggs in a mixing jug. Let's add water to it and sugar. Now using a whisk, I'm gonna combine all these ingredients. Let's add evaporated milk. All goes in. And again, using the whisk, I'm going to make sure everything is well combined. Our caramel base is nicely set now. I'm going to pour this mixture on top, and here I'm using a sieve, which is a very important step because if there is any lump or anything left on the mixture, it's going to prevent it from going to the pot. And we are gonna fill it up just 3/4. Once it's done, I'm quickly gonna cover the tops with some foil to make sure nothing can go in and the top is nicely sealed. Next, I'm gonna pour some boiling hot water on the pan, and we need to make sure that the water covers only halfway of the serving pots, not any more than that. And now it's time to bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Be careful while doing this step because you want to make sure that hot water doesn't go inside the pots. The pots are very hot at this moment, so handle them carefully. I'm gonna show you just one to show how the top looks like. And now carefully I'm gonna take all of them out from this water bath, and then I will let them to come to a room temperature. After that, I will put them in the refrigerator for at least 5 to 6 hours so that the cream caramel can set. And once that's done, we are going to take them out from the pot. Here I'm using a spatula to loosen the cream caramel from the pot. So I'm running on the corners to loosen it. And once that's done, we are going to use a serving plate and turn it on that. Tap it a couple of times and the cream caramel should come out without any hassle. I hope you liked the recipe. Subscribe to our channel to see more upcoming recipes like this. If you find this recipe helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.